Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Friday, yes, it's Friday. Friday, September the 17th, 2021, almost weekend. We have only two regular Sudokus Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And I have no good news for today because today there are no extra Sudokus. Again, yesterday also no extra Sudokus, no additional. And yesterday I have solved the rest of the puzzles of Wednesday. So what I will do today, I will solve the rest of the Sudokus. Yeah, so no extra Sudokus. So I will solve the rest of the Sudokus on Tuesday. Yes, let me do this. Tuesday. But first, we will solve these two babies. These two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light. I will start. Will be number 3405. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits. Each big square have 4 printed digits. 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. We have 9 big squares. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which numbers shall I pick? How about 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column. 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. We have a 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 in the last row. Oh, wait. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2 I see. Let me continue with an other digits. How about let me see. 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5, or right. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this row. In the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Alright. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5 and number 2. Alright. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in the middle, in the second column. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 3 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And the last 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Alright. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later. Later with the other regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. How heavy? We will see. Bye-bye for now.